Oh, you gotta cry, cry, cry. My cooking experience. Gagawa tayo ng ice crumble. Let's go. The cooking experience of Elise Isabel and De Leon. Let's gawa tayo ng ice crumble for today's video. Done with your eggs. Move to the next. Ingredient 1, milk, bourbon, tapos, mayan lang, so let's do it. Move to X, move to the next.
Hindi pa rin yung ano mo. Yung pag yung binuksan mo ay yung powder, hindi pa.
It's a last bite. Ako na to.